Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Simplify Maths with Lalit sir. So we have seen in the last video where we have covered all baby bullet top VSAQs with explanation of bit of theory as well. So in this class our focus would be to complete the SAQs, right? Short answer question. So let's get started with today's class without any further ado, right? So let's see what we have done the last class, as you know, differentiation. So let's directly come to the question. Question is, find derivative using first principle of sine 2x. First, we should know the formula. What is the formula? Let's write the formula. F dash x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Limit h will go towards 0, not x. Okay. This formula, I guess everyone, we have to remember. Okay. Now, what is f of x? Sine 2x. What is f of x plus h? Sine 2 into x plus h. What this will become? Sine 2x plus 2h. Easy? Now, let's substitute in the formula. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 sine 2x plus 2h minus sine 2x by h. Now, as we have discussed in the last class also, let me explain again. S minus s. What is s minus s? 2cs. If the angle is A, if the angle is B or C or D, whatever, first angle would be A plus B by 2, second angle would be A minus B by 2. Done? Easy? Okay. Let's apply the formula. So s minus s is 2cs, 2 cos sine, whole divided by h. First, what you have to do is add both of them, divide by 2. Add 2x plus 2x, 4x, plus 2h, whole divided by 2. Next is subtract. 2x, 2x cancel, 2h by 2. Easy? Okay. Now, this is 2 cos. Now, I'm writing directly. Be with me. I'll take 2 common. 2 cancel. So, what this left is 2x plus h. Basically, I've taken 2 common. 2 cancel. Now, you know sin h by h is 1. Precisely, you should write this as limit. Will take it here. So, directly we can write the value. Now substitute h is 0 here. So this is 2 into cos 2x plus 0. Now what is sin h by h? If limit h is tending to 0, it's 1. So answer is 2 cos 2x. That's it. This is the value of f dash x. Now in such cases, what is basic thing is, fx is easy, f of x plus h is easy, and you know the formula. These three things would be very easy for you. Final answer also we know. Sin 2x differentiation would be like cos 2x, and 2x differentiation is 2. So it's 2 into cos 2x. That's how you can verify the answer as well. Easy. This is what we call as first principle. So there are actually around 6 questions, right? I'll be taking 3 questions for this first principle. Okay. Now let's take the next one, tan 2x. So how to start, guys? First we'll write f of x. What is f of x? Tan 2x. What is f of x plus h? We'll replace x with x plus h. So directly tell me, this will become 2x plus 2h. Hope that part is clear. X plus h, 2x plus 2h. Now, what is the formula of f dash x? Limit h tends to 0, f of okay, this formula will apply. So let's apply f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h, tan 2x plus 2h minus tan 2x by h. Now how we'll proceed with this? We don't know any formula of tan a minus tan b. So you can write tan x as sin x by cos x. So what this will become as minus, easy, no? Now, next step is cross multiplication. This will go here, this will go here. So what this will become is, this is multiplied here. So I'll have sine 2x plus 2h into cos 2x minus cos 2x plus 2h into sine 2x, whole divided by product of this two, cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Now see, this is divided, so this would be multiplied here. Okay, so this would be into h. Let that sink inside. This is multiplied here, this is multiplied here, divided by h. Okay, now you might know one formula, which is sin a cos b minus cos is sin b. What is that? Sine of a minus b. So first minus second. Using this, this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b, right? So what we'll get here is sine of a minus b. What is a, guys? 2x plus 2h minus b. What is that? 2x. Whole divided by cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x into h. So 2x will get cancelled. So now what you're left with is sine 2h whole divided by h. I'll take h here. 1 upon cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2h, and limit h tends to 0. So now what we do in such cases is, our main aim is sin x by x is 1. Whatever is here, it should be same. If there is sin Virat Kohli, it should be Virat Kohli. Sin 20, 20. Sin 2h, it should be 2h. So I'll divide and multiply by 2. What I'll do is, I'll divide and multiply by 2. So I've divided by 2, I'll multiply by 2. Here and there, anything is fine. Now, this is, both would be same. So sin x by x or sin 2x by 2, this value will become 1. So final answer would be 2 into 1 whole divided by. Now, h is going towards 0. Substitute here 0. This would be 2x plus 0, which is 2x. Now, you might feel this is cos 0. No, x is not going towards 0. H is going towards 0. So, this is cos 2x. Cos into cos, cos square 2x. Now, what is 1 by cos? Secant square. That's how we'll do. And obviously, it makes sense. 10x differentiation is secant square x, 2x differentiation 2. So first we'll write in terms of sine cos, cross multiplication, that's it. Okay, let me take one more and then we'll take 2 more questions and then we are done with SAQs. Okay, let's start with the first step, f of x, x sine x. What is f of x plus h? X plus h into sine x plus h. Now the formula f dash x, limit h tends to 0, this part we know, this we have written no, now for 2 questions. So what is f dash x? Whole divided by h. Now what we'll do is we'll open this. So x into this will become x sine x plus h plus h into sine x plus h minus x sine h whole divided by h. So now we'll take this 2 term together. What you can take common in both of them is x. Very good. So let's take x common. In bracket, what we'll have is sine x plus h minus sine x. Okay, and what is left is plus h sine x plus h. Now see, it's whole divided by h. So one h will come here, one h will come here. The reason behind that is a plus b by c can be written as a by c plus b by c. But in the last question, we have taken only along one c. Why? Because last it was multiplied. So you can write this as a into b by c or a by c into b, whatever. So this logic we have applied. Okay guys, so now the next thing is, now this is, and limit is there obviously. Now see, limit s tends to 0, x. Now s minus s we have written before also, is 2cs. So 2cs whole divided by h cancel, plus sine x plus h. So what is the first angle? Add both of them, divide by 2. 2x plus h by 2, x cancel, h by 2. Like subtract and divide by 2. Okay, now pay attention. What we'll be doing is, so this would be 2, limit h tends to 0, right? Cos, like you can write this as 2x only, that would be fine. Now this is where you have to be a little bit careful. See, this is h by 2. Now this is h. What I said is you have to make it same. Now it is divided by 2. So what we'll do is divide by 2, multiply by 2. Why we are doing this? So that this 2 should be same. And plus sine x plus h. Now as I told you, if both are same, then this part will become 1. So what we are left with is 2 into, substitute 0. H is 0, 2x by 2, it is cos x. This part will become 1 and this is divided by 1 by 2. And what we have, x was also there, no? I have not written here x. So yeah, you can write this x. Plus substitute here also h is 0. So what is left is sin x. So final answer, okay. So it is x cos x plus sin x. Hope this part is clear. What we have done in this question, I guess that's clear with us now. So in the last part, and you can verify the answer, you will apply UV rule. First x differentiation 1 into sin x, which is there, plus x constant, sin x differentiation is cos x, which is also there. So that's how you can get it. Okay, hope this part is clear. Okay, let's take the last two question, is this. So okay, so this is a good stepping stone for your LAQs. Whenever, as you can see, x power y, variable power variable, take log on both the side. Variable power variable, log on both the side. And one more thing we'll use, what is log e? Log e means base is also e. Log e means value is 1. You have to remember this because base is also e. So let's take log on both the side. Now this y will come here, this value will come here. Now what is log e? As we have discussed, 1, no? Now see, this is interesting. Can we differentiate from here? Yes, we can. But we observe the thing from the question that in dy by dx, is there any answer? There is y? No, which means I have to eliminate y. So find out the value of y. So y will go on the other side. So it is y log x plus y is equal to x, y common in bracket, log x plus 1. So what is the value of y coming out to be? X upon 1 plus log x or log x plus 1, whatever it is. Now what you will do is differentiate on both this side. So y differentiation would be dy by dx. Now what will apply? U by v rule, which we have discussed before. First we'll differentiate the numerator, log x, x differentiation 1. Other part will remain constant. Very good. Minus, now numerator will remain same. We'll differentiate denominator. 1 differentiation is 0. Log x differentiation 1 by x. Whole divided by denominator whole square. X cancel. So what we are left with is 1 plus log x minus 1 upon 1 plus log x whole square. So answer is log x upon 1 plus log x whole square. This is the value of dy by dx. Okay, Hardik Pandya. Done. Easy part, not at all difficult. So taking log on both the side, log e is 1, into 1 no need to write, y on the other side, y value, differentiate, apply u by v. That's it. You can pause and see, move to the next question. Okay, this is very interesting. Now you have to differentiate this with respect to this. So in such cases, assume this is u, assume this is v. So what they're saying is differentiate like this complete as u, right? And this complete as v. So you have to find du by dv with respect to this. So what this can be written as du by dx whole divided by dv by dx. This part will be using. Let's start with the first one. U is tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Now this type of question we have done in the last video. If you have not done, please go and check that. Okay. So now in such cases, we will substitute x as tan theta. So what is u coming out to be? Tan inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. What is that? Tan 2 theta. Now if I see this, this is coming out to be 2 theta. Now x is tan theta. What is tan theta, guys? X. What is the value of theta? Tan inverse x. So which I'll use here. So this is u is equal to 2 theta. So u is equal to 2 tan inverse x. So I'll differentiate with respect to x. So this is 2 into 1 upon 1 plus x square. Equation number 1. Easy. 2 into 1 is 2. You can write directly that is 2 also. Let's start with the second one. Second one, v. What is v is equal to? Sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Again, you will substitute x as tan theta. V is coming out to be sine inverse 2 tan upon 1 plus tan square, which is coming out to be sine inverse sine 2 theta, which is again 2 theta. Theta would be again tan inverse x. So what is dv by dx coming out to be? 2 into 1 upon 1 plus x square. So now what you have to do is you want dy by dx, guys. So what is dy by dx? As you know, this du by dx. What is the value? 2 upon 1 plus x square. This is 2 also 1 upon x square. So it's coming out to be 1. So what is the value of dy by du by dx? So differentiation of this with respect to this is coming out to be 1. Easy, no? Okay. First we'll assume this is u, this is v. Substitute x as tan theta, solve this. Substitute this as tan theta, solve this. Then divide, we'll get the ratio as 1. Okay guys, so thank you so much. Hope you understood like how things are making sense to us. It's not that difficult. Make sure we go through the video again, write each and answer without saying. Let's push our boundaries. So thank you so much guys. I'm your mathematics professor Lalit Rangavat signing off. I'll meet you in the next video where we'll be discussing LAQs of differentiation. The most hot topic, most important topic, one of the most important topic, and most students have the doubt, right? Till then everyone, work hard, study hard, be smart. You are very, very awesome. Take good care of yourself and keep studying, keep growing.